nice that we can bring our families here back to the hub. Then my kids managed to see the office where I work.
It's a nice place. It's quite impressive.
Bringing them around, looking at what NCS has.
The food, it's a big draw for us. We were on the food tour on every floor.
And to the families, welcome to NCS. It's our real pleasure to have you with us. We decided to bring all of you here to the office to take a look at where we work, right, and to connect amongst the families here. I assure you, this will be a very different family day compared to many other companies.
Coming here for this family event has been a very memorable experience for me. I didn't expect NCS events to be so fun and amazing.
Would you want to work in tech one day? I would like to. I find technology interesting. The cyber security thing.
I look forward to today's event actually, so I would love to come back again.
Thanks NCS for this opportunity actually.
Should organize more of this event. It's very good.
Thank you, NCS.